Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our physics class. I am your physics teacher from United Public School, Tandurma. Till yesterday we are discussing about the chapter motion. Okay, what is motion? Motion is nothing but just a movement of the body. In this whole chapter we are discussing about motion of the body, movement of the body. Okay. Till yesterday, what we have discussed the uniform acceleration. Okay. Today we are going to learn about the non-uniform acceleration. What are acceleration? Acceleration is depend on speed change and direction of the body change. The speed of the body and direction of the body is changed. It means the velocity is changed, nama. When the velocity is changed, what acceleration is happened. Okay, acceleration is come. Okay, what is that? Acceleration is, what is the definition of acceleration? Acceleration is nothing but change in velocity. Acceleration measured that the change of velocity, how much velocity is changed throughout the journey. Okay, means what way it is related to change in speed change and direction of the body change, means the velocity also change. When velocity is changed, the acceleration is happened. Okay, ma'am. Till yesterday we are discussing about the uniform acceleration. What is the uniform acceleration, ma'am? The body is moved, the body is covered the distance uniform velocity. Okay, what is the definition of uniform acceleration? Body has a uniform acceleration in the straight line. It is velocity increased equal time and equal amount in equal interval of time, means the bodies travel equal distance in equal interval of time. The velocity changed equal amount in equal interval of time. Okay, I am taking the Delhi to Kolkata. Yesterday we are discussing all those things, okay. Yesterday also we are discussing about this example, Delhi to Kolkata. Okay, and also we are finding the acceleration is equal. Okay, here the velocity is 10 meter per second, 200 meter per second, 300 meter per second and 400 meter per second. Okay, we are finding the velocity. Here is the velocities. We are finding the acceleration. What is the acceleration? Change in velocity by time, either it final velocity minus initial velocity by time. By doing this formulas, we get the acceleration as equal. Okay, up to here A to B also get 10 meter per second square, B to C also get the 100 meter per second square, BC also we get the acceleration is 100 meter per second square, and CD also we get the 100 meter per second square. Today we are discussing about the non-uniform acceleration. What is that? Let's do it. Non-uniform acceleration. What is the non-uniform acceleration, The body has a non-uniform acceleration if its velocity increases by unequal amount in equal interval of time. Body is travel from A to D. I am taking the points, I am taking the position as A, B, C, D, whether we are observe the readings. Okay, from A to B the time is 5 seconds, B to C is 5 seconds, C to D is 5 seconds, means equal interval of time. Velocity increasing by unequal amounts. Okay, velocity is increases or decreases, but unequal amount. But 10 meter per second here at the point A, 10 meter per second, at the point B 5 meter per second, at the point C 5 meter 15 per, at the point B 15 meter per second, at the point C 5 meter per second, at the D 20 meter per second. When the velocity is different, the acceleration also different. Okay, let's find out the acceleration. What is the acceleration formula? The final velocity minus initial velocity by time. I am observing we are discussing about non-uniform acceleration. Okay, we are finding the acceleration from A to B. Okay, I am discussing the first portion, A and B. From A and B, what is the final velocity, 15 meter per second, and initial is 5 meter per second. Okay, we are substitute those value in this formula. What is final velocity? 15 meter per second and initial velocity is 10 meter per second and time is 5 seconds. Okay, after substituting we have to simplify it. 15 minus 10 means 5. Denominator as it is 5. 5 get cancelled. What we get, ma? After simplifying we get the 1 meter per second square. Okay, the first question from A to B, the acceleration is 1 meter per second, and come to B and C. For B and C, what is the final velocity? 5 meter per second, and initial velocity is 15 meter per second. Observe the units for velocity. Meter per second, acceleration is meter per second square. Always you have to write the units. Okay, velocity meter per second and acceleration meter per second square. It is the difference between velocity and acceleration. Okay, for BC, final velocity is 5 meter per second and minus initial what is 15. Okay, after substituting, and time is as it is 5 ma. Okay, after substituting we have to do the simplification. 5 minus 15 minus 5 is 10. Which 10 ma? Which number is greater? 15 is greater. In front of 15 we have minus. That's why we are writing the minus. 10 by 5. When we cut the 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10 means what we get, acceleration is minus 2 meter per second square. First portion we get 1 meter per second square. Second portion is we get minus 2 meter per second square. It is different acceleration. Come to the C to D. What is the C to D ma? C to D means to finding the C to D acceleration. Which one is final? 20 meter per second square, and C is 5 meter per second square. To substitute the CD. What is the final ma? Final means 20 meter per second square minus initial means 5 meter per second square. Okay ma? After, and 5, time is same, 5 seconds. After substituting we have to simplify. 20 minus 5 is 15 divided by 5 is as it is. After cutting, 5 ones are 5. 5 threes are 15 means what we get the acceleration? 3 meter per second square. Observe the acceleration between 3 portions. First portion AB is 1 meter per second square. Second is minus 2 meter per second square, and for last 3 meter per second square means acceleration is different. How can I get the acceleration is different? Because the velocity is changed unequal amount. Velocity is changed unequal amount. This means the non-uniform acceleration. It is not the uniform form. Okay, it is not uniformly. Acceleration is not changed uniformly. Here 1 meter per second square, 2 meter per second square, minus 2 meter per second square, and 3 meter per second square. This is a non-uniform acceleration ma. Yesterday we are getting the uniform acceleration. In uniform acceleration we get the same answer. Okay, 100 meter per second square, 100 meter per second square, 100 meter per second square. Whether the non-uniform we get different answer, 1 meter, minus 2 meter, and 3 meter. That's why we call it as non-uniform acceleration. Okay, today's class is completed ma. We are discussing non-uniform acceleration. Just you have to complete the notes till that. Next class we are discussing about the last topic. What is that? The equation of uniform acceleration motion. Okay, this is the last topic of this chapter, motion. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.